Let's put the eggplant into a pot of boiling water to blanch it. The moment it comes out of the pan is the most nutritious new way to eat eggplant. We'll blanch it for about 10 seconds and then quickly take it out. Put it in cold water to cool it down. Blanching eggplant in boiling water can effectively remove residual dust and insect eggs from its surface. We feel much more at ease eating food that's washed thoroughly. Next, we'll slice the eggplant into evenly thick slices. Then cut it into even, thin strips. Eggplant is a great food. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. Eggplant skin, in particular, contains a large amount of anthocyanins. Therefore, families with elderly people and children should definitely eat this regularly. I have a question for everyone. When we went to buy eggplants, should I buy the thicker eggplants or the thinner ones? If anyone knows, let's discuss it in the comments section. After cutting the eggplant, put it in a large bowl and set it aside. Next, let's crack in a few more eggs. When cracking eggs, never tap them against the edge of the bowl. This way, dirt can easily fall in, so we must drink on a flat surface. This way it's clean and hygienic. After beating, we need to stir it evenly. I share some simple and delicious home-style recipes every day. My homepage has been updated with over 200 recipes, each one detailed and guaranteed to be a success. If it's even slightly helpful to my older brothers, sisters, uncles, and aunts, could you please follow me and give me a little heart to encourage and support my younger sister? I'm here to thank everyone. After beating the eggs, pour them directly over the eggplant. Next, let's add seasoning. It's very simple. Let's add some salt first. The amount of salt can be adjusted to your own taste. Then add some pepper. Pepper powder removes fishy smell and enhances aroma. Add some chopped green onions for extra flavor. Then let's add some dried shrimp to increase the nutrition. Finally, let's add a small spoonful of flour to increase its stickiness. Next, we'll use chopsticks to stir it thoroughly. Next, we'll put a little oil in the pan. Then pour the eggplant batter directly into the pot. Then we'll flatten it out. The rounder the better. We'll keep the heat on medium-low throughout the cooking process to sear and cook until fragrant and thoroughly cooked. After one side is set, we flip it over. Fry the other side until it's golden brown like this. Once both sides are golden brown, it's ready to be taken out of the pan. Now let's modify his knife. Look at the eggplant breakfast pancakes we made. The outside is crispy and fragrant, while the inside is incredibly tender. Let me try a bite first. The fresh aroma of eggplant combined with the smooth texture of egg liquid. It's really delicious. You can easily make this nutritious breakfast by waking up a few minutes earlier in the morning. It's incredibly fresh, fragrant, smooth, and delicious. Follow me and you won't have any cooking mishaps.